Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or lawn care aficionado, the NQEUEPN primer bulb replacements. If you're looking to keep your trimmers, blowers, and chainsaws running smoothly, this might just be the perfect solution for you. The NQEUEPN primer bulb replacements are designed to be a hassle-free solution for maintaining your outdoor power tools. Each pack comes with 12 primer bulbs, ensuring you have an ample supply for various equipment. They're compatible with a wide range of brands including Walbro, Ryobi, and Homelite, making them versatile for different carburetor models. These bulbs are made from durable materials and are easy to install, promising a quick replacement process without the need for professional assistance. Let's talk about the specifics. The larger bulbs measure approximately 1.9 centimeters in height with a flange diameter of 2.2 centimeters. While the smaller ones are about 1.5 centimeters tall with a flange diameter of 1.86 centimeters. This variety ensures compatibility with different tool models. Installation is straightforward. Simply replace your old primer bulb with one of these, and you're good to go. It's designed to fit snugly and securely, ensuring no leaks and optimal performance. These primer bulbs stand out for their affordability and reliability. Users have praised their durability and ease of use, making them a favorite among DIYers and professionals alike. Imagine you're in the middle of a landscaping project and your trimmer won't start. With these primer bulbs on hand, you can quickly swap out the old one, prime the carburetor, and get back to work in no time. Whether you're a homeowner maintaining your garden or a landscaper handling multiple jobs, having spare primer bulbs can save you from downtime and frustration. To sum it up, the NQEUEPN primer bulb replacements are a solid choice if you're looking for reliable, affordable, and easy-to-install primer bulbs for your outdoor equipment. They're designed to keep your tools running smoothly, ensuring you can tackle your projects without interruptions. If you're interested in checking them out, I'll leave a link in the description below. And that wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and DIY tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.